everyone, I am Elina. Welcome to SNEB'S Biology. So today we are going to discuss some important question answer on pollution for your various competitive exams. But before that, if you are new to the channel, then hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that you will get all the notification from SNEB'S Biology. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. If there was no carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere, the temperature of Earth's surface would option A be as such, option B be less than the present level, option C increase from the present level, option D be independent upon oxygen amount of the environment. So when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants are collected in the atmosphere, they absorb sunlight that has bounced from the Earth's surface. This leads to an increase in the Earth's average surface temperature and it's called global warming. When there is no carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, the temperature of the Earth's surface will be less than the present temperature. So the correct answer will be option B. If there was no carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere, the temperature of Earth's surface would be less than the present level. Okay. Next, question number 2. Carbon monoxide is a pollutant because it, option A, inactivates nerves, option B, combines with oxygen, option C, combines with hemoglobin, option D, inhibits growth. So carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless, tasteless and toxic air pollutant, is produced in the incomplete combustion of carbon containing fuels such as gasoline, natural gas, oil, coal and wood. When carbon monoxide is inhaled, it rapidly crosses the alveolar epithelium to reach the blood, where it binds to hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin. Because carbon monoxide has an affinity for hemoglobin more than 200 times greater than does oxygen, the presence of carbon monoxide in the lungs will displace oxygen from the hemoglobin. So, what will be the answer? Answer is option C. Carbon monoxide is a pollutant because it combines with hemoglobin. Okay. Next, question number 3. Environment Planning Organization is option A CSIR, option B NEERI, option C ICAR, option D none of the above. So what will be the answer? The answer is option B. The National Environmental Engineering Research Institute NEERI is a research institute created and founded by Government of India. It was established in Nagpur in 1958 with focus on water supply, sewage disposal, communicable disease and to some extent on industrial pollution and occupational disease found common in post-independent India. Next, question number 4. Sewage water can be purified from cycling with action of option A microorganisms, option B penicillin, option C fishes, option D aquatic plants. So the sewage water can be treated in the treatment plants with the use of microbes. The bacterial cells, fungal cells and algae are the common microbes which are used for cleaning of the waste. The microbes have the ability to feed and decompose on the organic matter and convert it to simpler non-toxic forms. The organic matter of the wastewater can be reduced and the water can be purified. So the correct answer is option A. Next, question number 5. Blue baby syndrome occurs by the pollution of option A carbon monoxide, option B fluorine, option C nitrate, option D mercury. So blue baby syndrome is a disease which occurs in infants due to soil pollution or water pollution. Excessive use of fertilizers, pesticides and other nitrogen compounds increase the level of nitrates in soil or water. From soil it enters into the vegetation. When a nitrate containing vegetable or fruit is eaten by human beings, it enters the gut. Nitrate also enters through drinking water. In human gut, nitrates get converted into toxic nitrites, which combines with hemoglobin of blood to form methemoglobin, due to which oxygen transport is reduced. Pregnant women transfer the toxic nitrates to their fetus, hence the newly born baby appears bluish and may die. So answer is option C. This is a very important question. Remember this, okay? Next, question number 6. Biological oxygen demand BOD is a measure of option A, industrial waste poured into water bodies, option B, extent to which water is polluted with organic compound, option C, amount of carbon monoxide inseparably combined with hemoglobin, option D, amount of oxygen needed by green plants during night. So, biological oxygen demand BOD is the amount of oxygen required for biological oxidation by the microbes in any unit volume of water. So, here what will be the answer? Answer is option B. Biological oxygen demand BOD is a measure of extent to which water is polluted with organic compound. Next, question number 7. If BOD of a river water is found very high, this means water is option A, clean, option B, highly polluted, option C, having algae, option D, contain dissolved minerals. Biochemical oxygen demand is a measure of how much dissolved oxygen is being consumed as microbes break down organic matter. A high demand therefore can indicate that levels of dissolved oxygen are falling, with potentially dangerous implication for the river's biodiversity. High biochemical oxygen demand can be caused by high levels of organic pollution caused usually by poorly treated wastewater, high nitrate levels which trigger high plant growth. When this matter decays, the microbiological activity uses of the oxygen. So, the answer will be option B, highly polluted. Okay. Next, question number 8. Most dangerous radioactive pollutant is option A, phosphorus 32, option B, strontium 90, option C, calcium 40, option D, sulfur 32. So here answer is option B, strontium 90. Strontium 90 is a radioactive isotope of strontium. It is formed in nuclear reactor or during the explosion of nuclear weapons. A large portion of this strontium accumulates in the bone. It behaves like calcium and mostly attached to the surface of bones. This leads to cancer as a result of damage to the genetic material of the bone, nose and lungs and leukemia cells. Next, question number 9. Match the following option. Option A, Environment Protection Act. Option B, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act. Option C, Water Act. Option D, Amendment of Air Act to include noise. So यहाँ पे आपके एयर, वाटर, नॉइज़, पोल्यूशन प्रिवेंशन एक्ट के बारे में पूछा गया है, जिसके लिए आपको सारे ईयर ऑफ डिक्लेरेशन याद करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो ऑप्शन ए, एनवायरमेंट प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट विच इज़ 1986. नेक्स्ट, ऑप्शन बी, एयर प्रिवेंशन एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ पोल्यूशन एक्ट विच इज़ ऑप्शन 4, 1981. Option C, Water Act, which is option 1, 1974. Option D, Amendment of Air Act to include noise, which is option 2, that is 1987. Okay. Next, question number 10. The threshold of pain to human ears is option A, 50 to 60 decibel, option B, 30 to 40 decibel, option C, 120 to 140 decibel, option D, 160 to 180 decibel. So, threshold of pain is maximum sound level humans can be subjected to, after which the pain in ears is complained of. That sound level is around 120 to 140 decibel. So, answer is option C. Next, question number 11. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Option A, carbon dioxide, option B, nitrous oxide, option C, sulfur dioxide, option D, chlorofluorocarbons. So, the gases which allow the solar radiations to pass through but retain the long wave heat radiations are called greenhouse gases. The various greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons and nitrogen oxides, and other of a minor significance are water vapors and ozone. So, here the odd one is what? Option C, sulfur dioxide, which is not a greenhouse gas. Next, question number 12. Acid rain is due to option A, CO2 and H2O, option B, CO and NO2, option C, SO2 and NO2, option D, SO2 and N2O. So, acid rain is a result of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide pollution in the atmosphere. Sulfur dioxide causes the formation of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, and nitrogen dioxide causes the formation of nitric acid, that is HNO3. Both are strong acids. Okay, so answer is option C. Next, question number 13. Ozone depletion in stratosphere would result in option A, forest fires, option B, glaciation, option C, skin cancer incidence, option D, none of these. So, due to ozone depletion, threat of skin cancer increases. A 5% decrease of stratospheric ozone appears like to lead 10 to 20% increase in skin cancer. Okay, so answer is option C. Next, question number 14. Pollution caused by persistent pesticides is relatively more hazardous to which type of organism? Option A, herbivores, option B, first level carnivores, option C, producers, option D, top carnivores. So, concentration of non-degradable pollutants gradually increases in oncoming organisms of higher trophic levels, because the gradual increase in trophic levels from herbivores to carnivores decreases with the number of organisms at each trophic level. This increasing concentration of pollutant in successive trophic levels is known as biological magnification. So, here what will be the answer? Answer is option B, first level of carnivores. Next, question number 15. Foul smell in the water bodies of tanks, ponds, etc. is due to option A, aerobiosis, option B, anaerobiosis, option C, psammophytes, option D, biological magnification. So, eutrophication is a natural state in many lakes and ponds which have a rich supply of nutrients. This leads to decomposition of nutrients through the bacteria and by the process of anaerobic respiration. This causes foul smell in water bodies. Okay, so answer will be option B. Foul smell in water bodies of tank, ponds, etc. is due to anaerobiosis. Okay. That's all for today, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.